Hello everyone. Wanted to share with you some things I got in the mail from Sal. Thought I'd do a little unboxing here. I've already looked, made sure there wasn't nothing R-rated. You got a nice little package here. Razor blades. I know what this is, I already seen it. It's a point. Oh yeah. It survived. Oh, I'd have been so nervous shipping that. Let's see if it can survive me. Do one side. Let the tape come off. Man, that is beautiful. This is Mookite Jasper. I believe he got that from Marty. Holy cow, that is so thin. Here's your razor blade. And here's his. The cat is on top of my... If you hear that noise, it sounds like thunder. That's the kitty. Man, this is super sweet. Man, that is awesome. Man, I appreciate you, Sal. Man, that is awesome. We got some mustard yellow, kind of a green, a dark emerald green, gray. And then on into like a rose color, red. That is awesome. You got some red down here on the barb. That is sweet. We're going to put this out of the way for a minute. And he sent me, I asked him for some tumbling stones, because I like to tumble rock. I assume that's what these are. He didn't want these moving. I don't blame him. There we go. Lord, you got it. Secure, buddy. I like it. Ain't gonna hurt to scratch this stuff because, like I said, I'm gonna tumble it. Which I don't even know if the metal would scratch Jasper. That's pretty hard stuff, Jasper is. I tell you this, these sizes are perfect for tumbling. Anything over a 1/4 inch thick, preferably square. Oh wow. Oh yeah. That's gonna be beautiful. I don't know if you heat treated this stuff, Sal, or if this was regular unheat treated. You'll have to let me know in the comments. I know some of this stuff looks like it's pretty cracked up, and you probably wouldn't be able to nap it. Oh yeah. It's like a butterscotch, the main color, with swirls. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'll start to tumble. Let's see, what is it? Yeah, I'll start it before the new year. And it'll be probably around my birthday, which will be middle of February 14th, that it will probably be ready for stage 2. It might take a couple months, but really, the thing, hard thing about tumbling is the voids. That would be the same thing like trying to run a flake. If you get a hump, it takes so long to wind down. But man, this stuff is pretty flat. It may take a lot less time, which is cool. Cat. I'll get this off camera here. Lord. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's going to be beautiful. I bet his wife said, "Where's my saran wrap?" Yeah, even these, that's a perfect little chunk. Let's see if I can get it. See what we got here. Thickness wise, we got a little under 3/4. So that'll be a nice piece. And some of this, the way the Jasper goes, you get a piece that isn't cracked and you know it's going to hold its shape. You can form it before you tumble. Say you want to make a pendant or something, you can grind it down on a wheel. Oh yeah, these are nice. See, even this size is great. That's just about 9/16 on that fat end. And of course that'll even out, but that'll look cool. And we got one more. One more. But yeah, there's Danny Collins' wife about a year ago sent me some Mookite Jasper, and man, it is so beautiful when it's tumbled. It's amazing, especially if it's heat treated. Oh yeah. And I'll say too, I bet I can cut that in half. Yeah, because that thing's an inch. I can cut that in half and get two. Get two little slabs. Same with this one. And that way I can shape them a little bit before I tumble them. But I appreciate it. This is beautiful. That one's going to be awesome because the red goes in there pretty deep. But I appreciate that, Sal, greatly. and especially my point. That is just superb work. Very fine work. Oh, get off there. Awesome. I appreciate you, pal. And I know everybody else does. They like what you do. They like your channel. They enjoy the lives. I do. And I'll catch you guys later. I'm going to do another unboxing here. See ya.